Wow, good morning people, this is AJFocus out and about again. I'm at Ford's today, come to look at this new RS. There's a beautiful Mustang here. So yeah, I've come to look at this today. So the guy's literally just gonna get the key. Oh, here he is now. So I'm gonna have a quick browse and I'll get back to you in a second. Okay, so the guy's gonna give it a quick rev for me. Very nice. That's very nice. Yeah, I'm sold by this already, to be honest. Tell me guys what you think out there about me upgrading to one of these. I've come down today anyway to have a look around. So yeah, we're going to do a quick view inside the car and show you what it looks like. I was just saying to the guy actually about paintwork. You can actually see it pop in the sun. It's got the more comfortable seats. So yeah, it's got the typical Ford dashboard inside. I think it's better than the ST version anyway. Okay, right, so yeah, where was I? So I was with the interior a minute ago. You heard the car, it sounds absolutely beastie. I've just done a few, I've just been inside with the guy, done a few payments and a look at the monthly instalments and stuff like that. The deposit I'm putting down, it's brought it down quite a lot. I'm not going to tell you how much I'm putting down, but from what I've worked out, this could be a possibility in the future. But I'm just saying to the guy, this is not the car that was up for 7 minutes ago. Just don't know if you can see in the video, but the paint actually has a really nice glitter effect to it. Because in the images, in the videos that you watch, there you go, you can never see the paint. It looks like a flat paint, flat blue, do you get what I mean? But in person, the blue actually pops really nice. So, yet again, with the wheels, I'm going, if I was going to go for them, I'd go for these wheels. If they do them in silver, I would have them in silver because I think black is horrible in a car like this. And yet again with the Brembo calipers that match the colour of the car. Very nice. Sorry about that, my hand's in the view. So other than that though, what do you guys think? Do you think I should trade the ST for the RS? And just look at this paint. It is stunning. Now, I'm out to go out on a test drive one of these. The guy is just about to go and bring the car around. So I'm going to try and do a video inside the car. And maybe try and do an outside video again. Do some pops and bangs. So yeah, I'm going to pause it here. Oh, very nice. Don't know what that was. But it might be an Aston Martin. So yeah. I'm blown away by that colour though. Right, I'm going to pause the video here and then start up a new video of me driving it. Cheers guys for watching. Remember, subscribe and like, and I'll see you on the next video. Cheers.